nuts back here, bro. I'm just sliding back here. Holy fuck.
It's about to get really, really, really good. Like, you're about to get burnt.
Believe it or not, sitting in the middle helps with not getting sick. Because you can actually see what's up.
Left, right. We got a gravity cavity coming up.
Holy shit!
Taking my time here.
Are you taking your time? What do you mean?
No clippings. Not a single clipping. Dude, oh, grab a cavity. That right there.
Oh, that's gotta be sketchy as fuck.
That part's rough.
I just want to make sure everybody catches up. Oh, god damn. Oh, he shined his lights. I wonder why.
It's just
Yeah.
I'm trying to let you know he's there.
That's what I was telling you yesterday. much better in the middle than when I was on the sides. Like massively better. Woo. It's just the car's that good that you're still going fast as shit. Jesus. Oh, shit. We need an update to the Horizon mini-map.
Juan's literally right behind Lorenzo. Literally on his ass like grass.
God damn.
It's good to have a line to follow.
Yeah, because they're literally being able to follow my line. All my mistakes are being followed.
Car's coming.
Car's coming.
Something there.
Everyone's fucking smoking the oil. Saw it?
Woo!
That's how good that was. Alright, let me slow down. Kevin,
You'd be surprised how much better it is to let yourself get tossed and be in the middle.
That's gay.
Yeah, that was horrible. No diddy, bro.
Alright, cool down now.
Alright, I'll stop recording this shit.
Alright, we're taking a cool down.